In 3 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest jollof rice. We're going to start off with high heat, frying our onions in oil. Stay tuned. Once your onions have gone translucent, you want to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So just add that much. And then just fry the tomato paste. After you fry it, you want to add the whole can of tomatoes. And at this point, you also want to add your seasonings. So I'm just going to turn my heat down a little bit to medium. But yeah, you want to add like your thyme, your Montreal chicken, your stock cubes, whatever seasonings you're going to use, add it now. And then you want to cook this down, covered, for like 15 minutes. Just check on it every 5 minutes to make sure that it's not burning. And yeah, I'll show you what it's going to look like after it's cooked down. Okay, so once your sauce kind of looks more like this, like, see how it's cooked down and the oil is starting to separate, you want to add your rice. Now, I literally fill the same can with rice, so you're going to add all of that rice to your thing. And you want to mix the rice in, and then I'll show you how you add the water. I've really mixed the sauce into the rice. I really scrape the bottom to make sure the bottom is clean. The sides, make sure you scrape the sides off too. And I have a pepper in here. You can add bay leaf, whatever you want. I don't want it to be too spicy, so I didn't cut the pepper straight whole. But then I just added water to the same can, and I'm gonna put all this water in. Have some rice in there. Okay? I'm going to reduce the heat down to low. And just give it a nice stir so everything is mixed in. And you'll notice the water is at the same level as the rice. And just make sure everything is nicely stirred in there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add parchment paper or something to cover it so it can steam until it's ready. So just check it every 5 minutes, give it a stir to make sure that it's not burning. I'm leaving it to steam, and at this point I'm going to clean up the rest of the mess and we'll be done. So yeah, take it off the stove. Preferably you want to take it out of the pot too so it doesn't continue to keep cooking. Sorry, but yeah. So when your rice is all done, it'll look like that. Be careful not to burst the pepper unless you like your thing spicy. Pepper's just to give it some flavor. And finito!
It's over, yeah, it's over. Yeah, I'm leaving, I'm gone.